showed up, they were looking for me. They knew that I wasn't supposed to be there. And they attacked, and you got caught in the crossfire, and you died. I knew that it wasn't you, that none of that was this life, but I'm watching it happen in front of me, living that. It didn't feel any different because it was all still real. And now Joe West on Earth 2 is dead because I showed up.
That's not your fault.
Yeah, it is my fault. It's all my fault.